We have lined up a list of 57 dams, and it is important to tell Kenyans that for us to move our per capita water available from 402 meters cubed to 1,000, we need to invest in dams. Rivers, our domestic and historical water sources can no longer support both our domestic, industrial, and even agricultural needs. Therefore, the solution will be to build conservation and storage structures, that is building of dams. We would want to encourage, even if you can't afford the big 10,000, 23,000, at least have some basic storage of what we receive from the sky, because that way we will reduce our water exposure, water needs exposure. We are also coming up with working with the counties. And these regulations are being developed now, so that every building that we approve in our urban cities have provisions for water harvesting.